Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the blood groups. There are the RBC, structure of RBC, and also showing the antigen and antibodies. There are the A antigen, B antigen, and RH antigens. Blood groups. Agglutinogen, the antigen present on RBC surface, measures are O, A, B blood types. Blood group A. A antigen A present on surface. Blood group B. In this, B antigen present on surface, and in AB there are A and B antigen present on surface. Blood group O. No antigen present on the surface. Genetic determination of agglutinogens are genes that determine the A and B phenotypes are found on chromosome 9p. They are expressed in a Mendelian codominant manners. The gene products are glycosyltransferases A or B, which confer the enzymatic ability of attaching the specific antigenic carbohydrate groups. Glucosyltransferase A direct the formation of antigen A on RBC surface. Glycosyltransferase B directs the formation of antigen B on RBC surfaces. When A and B transferases are absent, then no antigen is present on RBC surface and blood group is said to be O. Next is the agglutinin. Antibody directed against RBC antigen may result from the natural exposure, particularly to carbohydrate that mimic some blood group antigen. Blood types with the genotype that is OO, OA or OA, AA, OB or BB and AB. Type of blood are the O, A, B and AB. Agglutinogen. In the case of O blood group, no agglutinogen, and in case of the agglutinin, anti-A and anti-B. There are the agglutinogens A, B, anti-B and anti-A in case of blood group A and B. And if both, that is A and B, there are the agglutinogens A and B.